Okay, and now we are going to make a chicken salad. So the first thing you take is pre-cooked chicken. This has been cooked in the oven for 20 minutes. And we need to measure out around 150-175 grams of chicken. So I cut it into small pieces. Then it tastes better in the salad. Put it into my on my scale. And you can see this is chicken breast. There's no fat at all, and it's very tender after being in the oven. Let's see, where are we? 100 grams, 130 grams. Take a little bit more here. We need our proteins like this. Cut it into dices. 100 and 200 grams. It's a little bit too much, so we take a little bit away here. 170 grams. Good. The next thing we need is some mushrooms. We like mushrooms, so we take a little bit of them like this. Cut them into smaller pieces. And put it into our chicken. Like this. A little bit extra here. I like mushrooms. And it fills you up. This is a non-carb salad. So there's no rice, no carbohydrates at all. So you can use as many vegetables as you want, just to make it, to fill up your stomach, plus it makes it very tasty. So this goes back to the fridge. And the next thing we need, I buy these pre-mixed salads. They are easy to use, they're already rinsed. But I will make it into a little bit smaller pieces, like this. Yeah, and then I take my salad and put into my chicken and my mushrooms. Of course, now it just tastes of air, and that's not very delicious. So the next thing I have to do is to mix a small dressing. Here we go. I have a small cappuccino cup here, or whatever it's called, and I have some dressing powder, just some from Knorr, and I put how much you want it to taste. I like it a little bit strong, so I put like 1.5 teaspoon. I put a little bit water, like that, and a little bit of oil, like that. Mix it. There can be some small balls here, so it's important you squeeze it towards the side of the cup, like I'm doing here, as you can see, because they are not very nice to eat. So we are close to be there, like this, and I take my salad and I pour it over the salad like this. And that's it. Nice salad with chicken. Bon appetit.